Hello, my name is Muhammad Al-Halabi. I am currently majoring in biomedical engineering, and I hold the position of treasurer in the Henry Ford College Engineering Club. The project that the members of the engineering club, are working on right now is the drone project. In the engineering club, the members are always encouraged to express their ideas and to come up with new things that all the members can interact with. And it was one of the members that introduced that we, as a club, work on a project together in order to better our engineering skills and gain experience working as a team. So that's how the project came into existence. It was simply an idea that was proposed by one of the members, and all the members seconded the idea, and they loved working on a project that brings out their engineering skills as a team. Now, the idea of building the project and how do we go about building the drone? It took a lot of time and research and efforts, dealing with communicating between members and dealing with how to approach this kind of project. Now, at first, we wanted to acquaint ourselves with all the facts and all the information that dealt with how to go on and build drone. What are the parts needed? How do the parts in a drone function as a whole? And before we wanted to buy any of the parts, all the members went and did research. And we were all familiar with the way a drone operates and what components go into building it. And after that, it took an extensive 2 weeks or 3 weeks to do the research. After that, we wanted to dive into the application part. That's where we started buying the parts. That's where we as a team started to build the drone and meet up weekly, sometimes twice or 3 times a week in order to build this. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it did take a lot of time, and it did take a lot of effort, especially with those that were working that were leading the project. We had a lot of great minds that went into this, and it was a really nice thing to do, especially extracurricularly. Now, how many hours did we spend on the project? Like I said, we would meet weekly, twice, 3 times, and sometimes we would even go over time. We would set 2 hours for the meeting, and sometimes we would go 3, 4, just because of how curious we are to see that, oh, we actually achieved. It's the feeling of success, and that always kept us going. To be honest, this project taught me many things. One of the things that actually I want to highlight, working as a team and viewing other people's perspectives on multiple things. Not only that, it also taught us many engineering skills. In the engineering field today, we know that a whole team works on just one part or one item, and that really brought out the best of us, especially in where we as a team would meet up. We would discuss, we would share our opinions, we would always constantly work towards finding the solution. We faced some difficulties in the project, but we as a team, we came up with solutions to fix them. What was the most challenging part of the project? To be honest, building the drone, it seems like it's an easy thing, but there are always struggles. There are always things that just pop up and they're not expected. One of the major things that challenged us in this project was the programming of the drone. Assembling it was the easy part. It was just getting it to work through the program, getting the program installed on the receiver, on the transmitter, getting the flight controller programmed in order to manage the entire component, the entire drone. But regardless of that, the project was a really great experience, and the things that we gained as a team from it are limitless. They're just they're countless, and I believe that because we worked on it as a team, we were most likely to succeed. Yes, definitely. I mean, this kind of project is for all ages. Whether you're a high schooler, whether you're a college student, it just depends on it just depends on how you approach it and how difficult you think it is. And for me, after working on it for a couple months now, it seemed it's doable, especially for high school students. And I really encourage all students to participate in this. And see what it's like to work as a team, especially in things that require many different skills from all the members in the team.
Yeah. If you maximize its speed, look at that.
That's it.
Yeah.
I thought it was just like startup it was lagging, but
No.
legit.
Once the speed is maximized, it still lags. The rest of them, they work fine.